Today we are going to talk about a real estate company which is operational in more than 16 countries. और ये जो नाम है, इस नाम से रिलेट किया जाता है luxury, exclusivity, lifestyle and a trophy project. So today we are going to talk about Trump Organization. So Trump Organization started their operations around 5 decades earlier. In 1976, their first project was launched in New York. Then they had multiple launches across America and across international boundaries. They are very much active into residential, hotels, golf residences, commercial and estates. जिस तरह मैंने बताया 1976 के अंदर they started their operation and after that they were very much active into the market. They started with New York. They had their another project in New York. Then in 1984 they made Trump Place in New York. Then they moved to another cities in 1984. That was the time that Trump moved out of New York to another city of US. So first they were majorly operational into residential and hotels. Then they moved into commercial. Then into golf estates. इसी के साथ 2011 के अंदर Trump moved into another country, that was Turkey, Istanbul. That was the first time that they went into international boundaries. And after that they have never looked back. They have been operational into multiple countries. They are very much active in US, India, Indonesia, South Korea, Turkey, Philippines, Oman, Jeddah, Dubai, Vietnam, North America, South America, Europe में Scotland, Ireland and Caribbean island. इसी के साथ the company is not going to stop here. They have massive plans and they are going to expand their boundaries and do lot of international projects. और Trump Tower की acceptability across globe बहुत huge है because the people who invest into Trump Tower make massive appreciation, massive premium onto their investments. The further expansion that the Trump is going to do is into Oman, Muscat, Vietnam में एक और प्रोजेक्ट वो लेके आ रहे हैं. जिद्दा के अंदर they are bringing another residential development. Saudi Arabia, Riyadh के अंदर they are entering. Dubai, United Arab Emirates के अंदर they are bringing another residential development and a hotel. Gurgaon के अंदर they are bringing another residential apartment. At the same time in India they are also going to come up in Hyderabad and Noida, and in Pune they already have a residential development, but this time they are going to bring commercial development there. So before we move on to understanding the Trump developments, let me just give you a brief why people invest into Trump projects. The reason of investing is majorly the exclusivity of that development. Normally अगर आप Trump देखोगे, every city has only one Trump tower. Only New York have 2 Trump Tower residential towers, and इसी के साथ Gurgaon is going to become the second region to have 2 Trump residential towers. So exclusivity is one of the major key factor when people invest into this product. Secondly, it's a pricier asset. Once you invest into this particular asset, you have a huge potential or a multi-fold return that you can get onto your Trump project. Every rich guy wants to be part of Trump Tower, but they are very limited units, very exclusive units, जिसकी वजह से the demand is high and the supply is very limited. The third is the lifestyle. It's a Trump lifestyle that makes it very exclusive and in demand. The fourth is the neighborhood. Obviously, when people are moving into Trump Towers, the neighborhood is super strong. The who's who live into these residential apartments. And obviously, these becomes the trophy projects because these are going to be very limited across the city. You are going to have only 1 or 2 residential projects into your city. So you don't have to give your address. You only have to say that you stay in Trump Towers. The purpose of doing this content today is that the Trump is becoming very much active into India. They already have their projects in Mumbai, Pune, Kolkata and Gurgaon. So when we talk about India, India has a huge demand for these branded residences because these are exclusive and people want to stay in these kind of exclusive developments. तो मैं quickly पहले बताता हूँ कि Trump ने अपना पहला प्रोजेक्ट इंडिया के अंदर कब लॉन्च किया. So the first project was launched in 2014 in Mumbai. So they came into Mumbai with Lodha at a price point of around 30,000 rupees per square feet. Trust me, right now the price point of this project is somewhere around 70 to 80,000 rupees per square feet. Then they came into Pune. In Pune, they launched their project at 14,000 rupees per square feet, and right now it trades somewhere around 40,000 to 45,000 rupees per square feet. At the same time, they came into Gurgaon in 2019 and the price was around 16,000 rupees per square feet. Right now it trades somewhere around 35,000 to 40,000 rupees per square feet. That's the kind of appreciation that the people have got in Indian Trump projects. It's a multi-fold return. The people have made double of their money, in fact triple of their money by investing into Trump Towers, because the units are limited. It's exclusive project. Normally Trump Tower has around 200 to 300 apartments, so the supply is very limited. That's the reason this kind of asset becomes in demand throughout the city. Now let me quickly make you understand the Trump Tower operations in Gurgaon, because they are launching another Trump Tower in Gurgaon. So first let's understand Trump Tower 1, which was launched in 2019, which was launched in tie-up with M3M, and the price point was somewhere around 16,000 rupees per square feet. They had three sizes: 3,500 square feet, 4,500 square feet and 6,000 square feet. It was a mix of 3 and 4 BHK apartments. When it was launched, it was a super successful project in the city. It was talk of the town. In fact, Junior Trump came to India to launch this particular product. It had only 2 towers which had ground plus 49 floors, and right now this particular product is trading at a price of 35,000 to 40,000 rupees per square feet. So in a span of just 5 to 6 years, you can see that the money has more than doubled with such kind of asset. And in fact, the people bought this property under a payment plan of 30, 30, 40 or 30, 40, 30. In fact, they have paid right now 70% of the property value, and they are sitting more than double of the capital value of this particular project. So that's a kind of strength this particular brand holds. और ये वाला जो ट्रम्प टावर था जो 2019 में लॉन्च हुआ था, it was part of M3M Golf Estate in Sector 65. Now Trump Tower 2 is coming up, and again there's a very big opportunity by investing into it and making good money out of it, and in fact it can become one of the great residential project to stay at. So this Trump Tower 2 is coming up on Golf Course Extension SPR Road in Sector 69. It's going to be only 2 towers. The height is going to be ground plus 51. It's going to be 3 to a core. It's going to be a mix of 3 and 4 BHKs. 3 BHKs are going to be around 3,000 square feet. 4 BHKs are going to be in the range of around 4,000 to 5,000 per square feet. The price point is going to start from somewhere around 7.9 CR, and the payment plan is going to be 30, 30, 40. And in fact, they are going to have few penthouses also, which are going to be of around 8,000 square feet. As a signature element, it's going to be only 2 towers. There's going to be a glass facade from floor to ceiling, double height lobbies, white glove services, and when we talk about the clubhouse, it's going to be one of the luxurious project of India. All the consultants are going to be international consultants, which will be involved into its architecture, interior, landscaping and the club facilities. This project is coming in joint venture with SmartWord developers. SmartWord and Trump Corporation is going to invest around 2,200 crores into its development. The time for the possession, you take it somewhere around 5 years from now. So your payment is going to be spread out over a period of time. And the way the Gurgaon market is expanding, evolving, getting into this price point, you can take it by the time the possession of this property comes, this property is going to be double. But at the same time, you would have invested very limited amount of money into it, because you only have to pay 30% right now, 30% after 3.5 years, and 40% on the possession of the property. These are going to be very limited apartments. Only 298 apartments are going to come. Trump has already started taking the EOIs, and trust me, this project is going to get oversubscribed in a short span. So if you are interested to become the part of Trump lifestyle, you can connect with us. We would be happy to assist you in giving the insight into the project and get you the best deal of Trump Towers. To know more about real estate developments in Gurgaon, you can follow us and subscribe us on YouTube and Instagram.